In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero and Make.com for seamless workflow automation. If you're looking to enhance your productivity and streamline your business processes, this guide will walk you through each step to integrate these powerful platforms. Let's dive in and make your operations more efficient. First, open Xero by navigating to your dashboard. If you're already managing your finances here, you're in the right spot. The dashboard is your primary control center for accessing all your financial data and tools. It's crucial to be familiar with this interface as it forms the foundation for integrating with Make.com. On the dashboard, there's a highlighted section that you'll need to click on. This action will direct you to the area where you can find and manage apps connected to Xero, which is an essential step for expanding its functionality. Once you click on the highlight, look for the Open Xero App Store. This store is a repository of apps that augment Xero's capabilities, offering a range of tools to automate and manage various aspects of your business. Now, within the App Store, find the section that says Work Smarter and Do More with Apps. Clicking on this will take us closer to discovering the app that links Xero to Make.com. This is an excellent opportunity to explore a variety of apps that can assist in automating your workflow. Once you're in the App Store, type in the highlighted field to search for the app you're interested in. This search function is intuitive and will promptly bring the desired application to your fingertips. The next step is straightforward. After your search, click on the number 12, which signifies the specific listing that we're going to focus on to continue with our connection setup. Selecting Get This App is your next task. This action initiates the process of adding the Make.com application to your Xero account. You'll need to follow through with any prompts or instructions to complete this process. Adding an app from the Xero App Store can significantly enhance your workflow by integrating additional capabilities and streamlining operations. Lastly, a crucial point of the integration journey is granting permissions. You'll see an option to allow access. Click on this to authorize the connection between Xero and Make.com. Providing this access ensures that the two platforms can communicate effectively, allowing data to flow seamlessly and automate tasks as configured. Remember, by allowing access, you're optimizing your setup, turning Xero from just a financial management tool into a comprehensive system powered by the automation capabilities of Make.com. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've established a powerful connection between Xero and Make.com, paving the way for improved productivity and automated workflows. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this integration empowers you to achieve more with less effort.